we're going to add live captions right on the ViewBoard. To do that, we need this microphone that we received. It plugs right into the ViewBoard. You're going to go to the PC button on your home screen and you will press it. It'll take you here, and if you're not logged in, you do have to swipe up on that bottom left-hand side in order to enter your information. It's from your Outlook. In that PC section, you're going to click on myViewBoard Whiteboard. You are going to link your account. On that bottom right-hand side, you'll see if you're signed in or not. If you are not signed in, you can sign in using your school Google account here. So you can see I am signing in, and I created a myViewBoard account, and it's the same password as my login, and now that's my icon, so I know I'm signed in. Here's where you can select the language of the caption, and then next to it is where you can toggle on and off the caption. It's on now because it is darker, and you can see that now that there'll be captions at the top of my screen. Just a quick little note here is that you might need to update this app. When I did it, I had to have permission from our IT person in order to do that, so plan ahead. Now these will follow me on the PC. I do not need to stay in the whiteboard. Back on the PC page, and you can see that now I do have the captions at the top. If I go to my Chrome and I'm going to access the internet, I now am able to have the internet window showing as well as the captions at the top so that I can do both now.